Hi guys, welcome. Let us do a Wits application together. So you're going to type in Wits on your Google and you're going to see Wits University. You press that and it's going to lead you to this page. This page this will be you exploring what the University of Wits is about. But since we are doing an application, you're going to go on top on your right. There is where you can press apply, and that's what you are going to do. But before you do that, you have an option to search any type of course that you want. For an example, you can type in biology, chemistry, whatever you are interested in studying, and it's going to show you everything that is under that course. And if you're happy with it, you can check the course and check what is about, how many APS scores they need, how many years, and all that. But now, let's focus on applying. On the right hand side corner, you're going to press apply, and it's going to lead you to this page. So because it's your first time, you're going to say, I do not have an account. But for this video, I already created an account. But for the sake of this video, you're going to say create a temporary ID. As soon as you are done creating your temporary ID, it's going to need this information from you. And you fill in all the information and it's going to say continue and it's going to say create your temporary password. After you have done all those steps and you have continued and confirmed, now you can successfully log in. So when you log in, this is what you are going to do. On the temporary ID, you're going to put the temporary ID they would have sent you on your email, and you're also going to put in the password. As soon as you've put, you can press in the login, and this is what you are going to see. So for you, it's your first time, please say begin new application. I just said continued because I have started with the application, but I'm going to start from step number 1 just to show you how the steps go. I am going to start from step number 1. All right, so I am going to rewind back. I was at step number 16, but let us go back to step number 1 so that you understand how you should fill in and what might be the things that are needed. And anything that you fill in, always make sure you press save. And if you see there is no next, it means something is wrong. You should say validate application. It will take you to the page where something is wrong. And always refer to my video to check what will be the problem. So let us begin. Step number 1, University of Wits welcomes you to the application and you're going to press next. No need to fill in anything. Step number 2, it's your personal information. Title, name, surname, gender, ID number, country. And you're going to press next to step number 3. And please make sure you save your work. So here they're going to ask you, what are you currently doing? Which is school? What is your sport? If you don't do any sport, please do not choose any sport. And then you're going to press next. And on step number 4, this is where they're going to ask you if you're currently upgrading South African qualification, international, and all that. Right? So you have to tick or say if you are currently in grade 12 or not. Then they're also going to ask you for your grade 12 results or grade 11 results based on what you have entered. If you say you're currently in grade 12, they are going to ask you examination year, which is this year because it's 2026, and month, it's obviously November. And then your final grade 11 results, you're going to insert all the grade 11 results, and they're going to ask you if your grade 12 results are the same with grade 11 subjects. If yes, you're going to say copy grade 11 subjects. If no, you would have to fill them in manually yourself if you have changed subjects due to whatever reason. Then you press next. Step number 6. So because I already did the application, this is what you're going to see. But for step number 6, undergraduate applicant, you cannot add the same program. So you need to choose program code more than once. Ne? So for step number 6, this is where you'll be selecting the type of course you want to do for 2027. You're going to be selecting it. So for the student, I selected the following courses that they wanted to do, or the following program: biomedical, biological science, and Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. This is what the student wanted to do. So step number 7 is a page instructions where they were going to need your address, and then you enter your address. Please make sure that you enter your address and you save your work. And step number 8 is to confirm again your address. You have to enter your address again and confirm it. Step number 9, on this page is your address again. You have to confirm your parents' address, where they stay, do they stay with you, and stuff like that. You have to confirm all that. Step number 10, it's your email, cell phone number, your home cell phone number, your work cell phone number if you have. And step number 11 on this page, it's your, if you're single, black, your culture, you're Christian, South African, and all that. And yeah, you have to answer if you have any disabilities and all that. And step number 12 is your parents' details, your parents' details, yeah. And also your parents' address. And if you don't have parents, your guardian or whoever is taking care of you. Step number 13, it's still part of your parents' details. On step number 13, still your parents' details. Step number 14 is where you have to accept. I circled the yellow thing. It's going to show blue. You accept and you save and you press next after reading the declaration. Step number 15 is the page with the application fee. How much is the application fee? All that information, yeah, their details, their branch, banking details, and all that. That's where they're going to be sharing all those information with you, where they show you. And please make sure you read to understand. Step number 16, they're going to ask you to upload your copy of ID and also your grade 11 results. So you're going to upload those two. You must have them as PDF. I already uploaded them, but make sure that you have them on your phone saved on PDF. Then step number 17, this is where they'll tell you that if you are sure of everything, now you can click submit and you are done with your application. Guys, I know I don't look my best, but you know what? Who cares? So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you share this information with somebody who needs the help. If you feel like you don't need this information, make sure you share it with someone. Someone might need the instant information. I am going to tell you, this thing opened on the 1st of March and it's closing for health, science, and stuff like that. It's closing around June, but I will put a thing here when it's closing so that you guys see when it's closing. Make sure that you go apply. Make sure you share with someone who really wishes to go to school or they're currently in grade 12. Thank you so much for watching. Please share with the right people. My next video will be about all the applications that are open and when they are closing and all that. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.